Here we're asked to write the expression with a single exponent. So here we have 10 to the power of 7 to the power of 2. Now, we will eventually want to get used to using the rule for power up a power, but to start us off, to make sure we understand why that works, I'll go ahead and break it up into expanded form. So expanded form here, that tells us we have 10 to the power of 7 to the power of 2, which means we're multiplying 10 to the power of 7 by itself. So we can see here we're breaking this up, and now it looks like we're multiplying a power here. Now, again, we have another rule for this, so we'll talk about that in just a second. But first, we're going to break that up even more to expanded form, where we're going to have 10 to the power of 7, meaning we're multiplying 10 by itself 7 times. And then we're going to do that again. I had to go down to the second line here because I have a bunch of 10s here, but what we can see here is we're multiplying 10 by itself a bunch of times. How many times are we multiplying it by itself? We could add up to 14 here. So now what we can do, first of all, if we look at the multiplying a power rule, we can see that if we broke this exponent, this power of a power down into, just the multiplication here, we'd have 10 to the 7 times 10 to the 7th. And we could add those together to give us 10 to the 14th, because that's our multiplying a power rule. But when we have it like this, we don't even need to do that, because what we can know about a power to a power is we know we're going to have 10 to the power of 7 multiplied by itself. So there's going to be another 10 to the power of 7. So we can take these two numbers and multiply them together. 7 times 2 is 14, which gives us 10 to the power of 14.